Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review the Naked palette cherry version. Okay, so as you see right here, I'm showing you all the colors. We have some shimmers, some mattes, very nice collection of colors. We're going to be using, I think, only four shades today. That's what we're going to use. And look at all those colors. It looks so nice. I'm actually very happy when I copped two of these. I got the honey version and the cherry one. So let's start. We're gonna start with using Bing as a light pinkish color. We're gonna add it to the top of the crease and blend it out. Sorry, it's a little blurry. It's kind of hard to film when you can't see yourself. So we're just gonna blend. Alright, so right here we're adding the next color, which is gonna be, I believe it's the name, Devilish. Okay, and I'm gonna show you right here on the panel. As you can see the palette, you're gonna choose Devilish, and we're gonna add that to the outer corner, kind of make that a little more dark, and we're gonna move it towards the inner corner and blend. There's a blend back and forth motions. We're gonna add a little more product and we're gonna blend, and I'm gonna say that word a lot. But yes, I did bought two palettes from Naked, and one of them was honey and the one I'm using right now is cherry, but both palettes are very pigmented. I like it a lot. So then right here we're gonna use the color, I believe is Safety. I think that's what it's called, I'm not quite sure. So right here we are adding Privacy. That is the name of the color. It's a dark brown, kind of chocolatey brown. By the way, if you guys do have sensitive eyes like I do, I would advise you to add some eye drops, and it will refresh your eyes very good. As you can see, my eyes are actually very white, and that is because I put some eye drops, not because I'm really wide awake. But yeah, go ahead and put that in the inner corner and in the outer corner like so, and just dab it in there. And then now we're gonna add some shimmer in the center of the eye. Sorry, it's a little blurry. This is the only part of the video that I didn't get right, but the color is called Bang Bang, and it's actually a pretty nice pinkish shimmery color. And we're gonna add that in the middle of the eye, and we're just gonna dab it in there. I would advise you to use your fingers, because when you use the brush, for some reason it does not stick in there. So we're just gonna do that to both eyes, and hopefully we get out of this blurry situation pretty soon. So there we go. This is the final result right here. Kidding, we're not done yet. We still have to put the bottom part. So right now I'm just zooming in so you guys can see. So now we're gonna add some color on the bottom. It's basically the same color that we use at the top, and I believe it was called, what was it called? Devilish? Yes, Devilish. So we should use a little bit of Devilish on the bottom just to make it, you know, pop a little more on the bottom. Now as you see, I'm putting some eyeliner on the bottom of her lids. Oh, it hurts a little to put it in sometimes. Not used to it sometimes because my eyes are very sensitive. As you can see here, I'm trying my best not to cry as I look up. And now we do the left one. So this basically makes your eyes pop a little more. So I mean, you could have left it how I did it before, just add some Devilish eyeshadow on the bottom and that's it, but I like to make my eye color pop a little more, so I add some eyeliner. And there we go. So now we're just gonna add a little more and just finish it. Alright, as I'm looking around, I think I was looking for what to put in my inner corner. So some people usually use a shimmer in the inner corner to make your eyes pop a little more, but I was wrong. So we are gonna put some mascara. I use Ego by Tarte. I think it's by Tarte. Very good mascara. It's very black and it lasts us a while actually. This is my favorite mascara. I have two of them already. Very, very good. So we're gonna go ahead and put some mascara on our bottom lids, and we should be close to finishing our makeup tutorial already. So as you can see, I'm just adding it to the bottom, and oh my god, look at my eyes. It looks so watery already, but they still look white, so that's good. Alright guys, so the final step is to add some shimmer in the inner corner. So we are over here putting some shimmer in the inner corner. It is clearly up to you whether you want to add this last step, but I always like doing this because it does make the look more, you know, more cohesive, more nice, more poppin', and I love it. I love putting shimmer. I love glittery things. Of course it's not that glittery, but you know, it does make a difference in the eye look. So we are gonna do that right here, and we are coming close to the end of the video. Alright guys, so we are going towards the end of the video. Please comment anything you want me to do next. This channel will be more about makeup tutorials, so look forward to more makeup tutorials. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bells so you could get notified when I upload a next video. I think it's notified, or you just get a notification for the next video, you guys. Alright, bye.